Hi, today we're going to show you the caliber and concrete screw and the JTS joist and truss screw from GRK. The caliber requires pre-drilling like any concrete screw, but can be used multiple times into the same hole. Nothing installs easier and nothing holds better. The R4 multi-purpose screw is very versatile and can be used in virtually any application, with no pre-drilling.
It sucks her down nice and tight. Yeah, like with a nail, it'd be good, but it could always bounce back up, you know?
I'm jealous. You get no squeaks in this house.
And that's what makes for squeaks, if that's the nail going in out of the wood.
Oh yeah.
That's the nail.
GRK's JTS version of the rugged structural screw is specifically designed for joist and truss construction, making it very easy with no pre-drilling required.
Pull the rope, pull the rope. Pull the rope. What? No, I'm not doing it.
There's fires in there.
Ain't going anywhere now. I'm good. We're good.
Pull your ball this way.
No matter what your job is, GRK has the high quality fastener to make it easy and help your project stand the test of time.